You have to say. Okay, I will give some hint. So accordingly, you have to say it. Okay. So please wait. Please wait for that. Good morning, children. We can start part 2, first chapter. First chapter from part 2. Okay, so before saying about that name, don't say the name, don't say the name, don't say. So, okay. So let me ask you, Shabari, not now. It is not the time to complete the note. Okay, listen here. I can see so many videos are off. Please switch on your videos. Binnu, Aisha, Noel, Anamika, Krishnesh, Leon. Yeah, switch on your videos. So, what was your wish when you were a kid, a small child? When you were a small child, what was your wish? All kids have so many wishes, but some have a strong wish to wish that if I am like that one, like that, some wishes will be there, right? Okay. So who, Nora, what was your wish when you wish in your childhood days? Wish? Huh? No wish. No wish. Len? If no others have wish, I know Len surely will have some wish. Would have some. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Noel, are you ready to say that? About your childhood wish? Yes. Yes,
In my
Noel.
home, two fighter is there.
Huh?
In my home, two fighter is there.
Okay. So here, Len.
Yes, ma'am.
What was your childhood wish?
To start a YouTube channel.
That was your. Okay, it is a strange. It is a strange wish. So it is not. It is not the wish. It is not this time's wish. Okay, so I am asking about when you were kid. At that time, Tonio. Yes, Tonio. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah.
to be a policeman.
Oh, okay, to be a policeman. That is all you're okay. Okay, so some of you might have wished to become a bird, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Huh? Some of
Ma'am.
you might have to wish to become a bird.
Ma'am.
Did you? Did you wish that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so not only you, the kids in the world like to become a bird. Everybody, all the no barrier between the country. The kids in the America, kids in Pakistan, wherever it is, they all have a wish, their childhood wish. Okay, after that they will realize they can't become they won't be like a bird. So, but when they are there in the childhood, they may wish to become a
Excuse
bird.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Len.
Ma'am, my and I was to breeding fighter fish.
Okay. We can come to that point. Okay. Okay. So here, why the kids like to become? Yeah, Nora wants to say something about. Yeah, Nora.
Ma'am, I made this with
Huh?
petals.
Huh?
Petals hibiscus.
Okay, good. Okay. So here, why the kids like to become like to be a bird? What is the reason? What is the
We
reason?
can fly. We can
Okay, for
the sky.
fly. Okay, so
We
fly
can
in
fly.
the sky. Okay, you can touch the white cotton like clouds. Very beautiful, right? The birds can fly through the
Fly around.
very beautiful through that beautiful clouds. You can sit on the top of the trees. And you wherever you want, you can fly to there, right? No need to wait for any bus or any train or plane, anything. You can your own, you can fly to wherever you want. So these all, they by seeing these flies, by seeing these birds are flying through the sky. So kids also have this wish. I think, how many of you now want to be like birds? Now, okay, Ridu, no doubt. Tonio, Noel. What about Nia? You don't like to become a bird? Noel only? Yes, you also. Okay, Aisha. Okay, now also you want to become like a bird. Okay, good. Okay, okay. So, okay. So now I think you get, you understood what is the name of that chapter which we are discussing, which we are going to learn.
Birds.
Birds. That is the name of the chapter, birds. Okay, so the name of the chapter is birds. And I think there is nothing to learn in new about birds. What all you know, we can just form it into a, we can change it into some percentage. Can learn that one. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Any doubt?
No. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Yeah. So this is the name of the chapter, that is birds. So here I will show the pictures of two animals. Two pictures I will show. And Ridu, yes.
Lesson 9.
Okay, 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 okay. So birds, name it is birds. Okay. And here, Ridu, or I will ask you, Ethan. Ethan, can you see the picture here? Ethan?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you
Okay, okay.
properly.
Who can't hear me? Who is that one? Ananda Krishnan. Is it Ananda Krishnan?
No, ma'am, I can hear.
Okay, so all others can hear me, right? Clearly?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So if anybody is not able to hear me, means please check your network connections. Okay. So here I am going to share the pictures. Ethan, can you see this picture? Ethan? Okay, okay. So can you tell me what is in that second picture? Not in the first picture. What is there in the second picture?
Small puppy.
What is there? The small
Dog.
dog.
Puppy.
Okay, or puppy. We can see. We can say it as puppy. Small puppy is there. Yes, Ethan. I can't see you. Ethan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So what is there in the first picture, Ethan?
Parrot.
Okay, parrot. Parrot is a
Bird.
bird. Okay, so you can identify, you can easily identify a bird from an animal, from other animal, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so Ethan, not only Ethan, I know all of you are able to identify a bird from other animal. I am not asking which type of bird it's, whether it is a parrot, kingfisher. That I don't want. I don't want to identify its variety. Sabari, what you are doing? Mute your audio. Mute it. So now we should understand what all parts are there only for birds that help us to identify that from the other animals.
Wings.
Okay, okay, Ethan, very good. Yes, yes. So I will ask one by one. So Ethan told.
Ma'am, beak.
Okay, Ethan told due to that wings, presence of wings, he was able to identify that bird from a puppy. Okay, and some other told it is beak, right? Yeah, beak is there.
Ma'am, beak.
Beak. So let me write it here. See here you can see the beak, right? Beak. Okay, and here you can see the wing. So by seeing the wing, by seeing the beak, you are able to identify the bird. Okay, Ananda Krishnan, is there any other thing to help you to identify the bird from another?
Feather. Leg.
Okay, feathers. Somebody told it is feathers. So
Ma'am,
feathers
legs.
are there.
Ma'am, legs.
Legs. Okay, what is the speciality of the legs? What is the speciality of the legs of the birds? Who told about legs? Who told about legs? Please tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
length.
Len. Okay, okay.
Thin.
So, yes, tell it, Len.
Ma'am, thin.
Very thin. Okay, it is thin, and there only two legs are there.
Two
And
legs.
at the end of that, field, can you see something there?
Sharp nail.
Sharp nails are there. Okay, very good. So sharp nails also are present on the birds. See, can you tell me what is the name of a particular name is for the sharp curved nails of the birds? Can you tell me what is that name?
Ma'am,
Claw. Okay, claws. CLAWS. So let me write it. So here I am marking. Here I am marking. Children, please wait. Okay. See here I am marking the claws. CLAWS. So in a bird we can see these all parts. First wings, then the beak, then the body of the birds are covered with feathers. Feathers means soft. Feathers means soft hair present all over the body of the birds. Soft hair present all over the body of the bird. That are called feathers. So we can see feathers on their wings, feathers on their tail, feathers on all. Feather is covering that body of that bird. Isn't it? So last year, some of you are bringing, you were bringing this one magic feather like thing. That is not the birds. That is not actually the bird's feather. Some artificial. Now also, see, Ananda Krishnan's sister is bringing magic feather. See, children.
ma'am,
See,
like pigeon full of feather.
okay, pigeons. Okay, okay. So these magic
My
feathers
house
are
lovebird is there.
okay.
It will
Magic
always get
feathers are not the original feathers. Okay, they are the duplicate one. So when you just walk along in your courtyard, you can see some feathers. Okay, so here we are saying about the parts of birds which help us to only for birds. These parts are only there present on the body of the birds. So that by seeing these parts, it is easy for us to identify. It is easy for us to identify a
Ma'am,
bird from
can you,
other
ma'am,
animal.
can you say, excuse me, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
can you say now?
Yes, sure. So here I am saying, see, beaks are present on the birds, wings are there, feathers are all over the body of the birds, and the most important thing, claws. So by see, claws means the sharp, curved nails present on the body of the birds. Okay, on the
Ma'am,
feet of the birds.
ma'am,
Yes.
I go when I go to my mother's house. One pigeon come and scratch in my hair.
So very poor.
When
Okay,
I
okay.
when I
So
was baby.
I have peacock.
okay, maybe you are eating something. That is why it came to snatch your food, right? Okay. So don't go out, sit outside while
No, in
along
the
with
house
the.
it come. Inside
Okay.
the house,
So shall we move to the next point? So
bird
Yes.
coming
yeah. So
inside
here,
the house.
from these pictures, students are able to identify the bird from the puppy by seeing these all features. Beaks, presence of beaks, presence of wings, presence of claws, presence of feathers. These all are not there for the puppy. So students can easily identify it, right? That may help you to identify the bird from other animal. So here we are saying those parts which help us to identify, we can call it as features. What it is? Features. 1 minute, children. Okay. So can you see the word feature here? Can you see the word feature here, children? Feature, special features. I am drawing. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay.
Birds have
Yeah, birds. Same thing. So here let me note down the point. Can you see here one word feature? Okay, feature. Can you see it here? Features means you can see so many pictures here. But note down the new word features. 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 Features means the special body parts that help us to that are only for the birds, not for the all other animals. So using that special features, we can identify a bird. So what are the special features of birds? Birds have beaks. In the picture, you can see lot of birds with different types of varieties of beaks. Isn't it? So all type of birds have some type of one or the other type of beak. The beak is present. Next one, wings. See in the picture, you can see a bird with colorful wings. And also colorful feathers also are there on the wings, on the tails, on the all over the body. You can see different colored feathers. And one more thing, and claws also. I will show the picture of the feet of an eagle. Can you see a curved sharp nail on that feet? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is
No,
called
ma'am.
claws. Yes. Yes. Any
I
doubt?
can't see the board.
Sorry, children. Yes.
I can't see the board.
Okay, you can't see it. Let me share it once again. Okay. So here, now can you see it? Anay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So here we are discussing about the special features of birds. Features means special parts that help us to identify a bird from other animals. So here you can see beaks. Birds have beaks. Birds have wings. Birds have feathers and claws. And not only that, they have small holes instead of the external ear. Do you have external ear? Do you have external ear? Please touch on your external ear. Yeah, that is the place where your parents will hold you, right? If you do any mistakes, they will come and hold on your. Yeah, isn't it, Tonio? Do you have external ear? Tonio? Huh? Is that your mother is using that part? Okay, so that but we have an external ear, right? But inside the external ear, one
Bird
hole
is
is
the
also there.
Jadayu.
Algan, please wait. Inside the external ear, one small hole is also present. Ashwin, mute your audio. So, through this external ear and through these small holes, we are able to hear the sound. In the same way, birds also can hear the sound. But if we check their features, if we see their body, we can't find any external ear there. No external ears like us. Cows have, puppies have, rabbits, some of the animals have the external ear, but these birds don't have any external ear. But then also they can hear the sound. That is because you can see a small hole in the below that big picture. Can you see it here? Small hole. Can you see it? Children, can you see it here? Small hole. I am marking it. That is the ear hole. That is the ear hole that is present. Ear hole that is present on the beard, on the birds that help them to hear it. They don't have external ear. And the important thing, they do not have teeth. They do not have teeth. Okay, like we human beings and other
Ma'am,
animals
I cannot
also,
hear ma'am properly.
and other animals also have teeth. Strong teeth are there, right? But if we check the birds, they do not have any teeth. By seeing these all special features, we can identify a bird from other animals. So first we have to check what are the special features of birds. Birds have beaks. Birds have claws. Birds have feathers and wings. Okay, so first one, birds have beak. From the mouth itself we can start. Birds have beak.
Beak.
Then birds have wings.
Wings.
And feathers also. And
And
wings
feathers
and
also.
feathers. Not only that, birds have claws.
Claws.
Sharp nails present on their feet. Claws are there. They don't have external ear, but they have ear hole, small ear hole. And the last one, they do not have any teeth. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I request Ridu to read these special features of birds. Yes, Ridu,
Yes, ma'am.
read these special features. What are the special features of birds?
Birds have
Ah.
bird. Ma'am, first on words, right?
Yes. First onwards. Yes.
Special features of birds. Birds have the
Beaks. Ridu, read it. Beaks. Say it.
Birds
Beaks.
have
B-E-A-K. Yes, children.
wings.
Children, write
feathers.
down the new word beak. Beaks. Yes. Then,
Ma'am, sound is blurred.
okay, now you can hear me,
I
right?
cannot hear you properly.
Ethan, please read that. Ethan, read it fast.
Special features of birds.
Birds have
Beaks, wings, feathers, claw, and
Close
ear
and
holes.
ear holes
Ear
instead of.
Instead of external ears.
Okay.
They does not
Ma'am,
have
sound is
They do
teeth.
blurred,
not.
so I cannot
They
hear
not
you,
does
ma'am.
not. They do not.
They do not have teeth.
Okay. Sahal, read these features. Sahal.
Ma'am, can I?
Sahal, read these features
Birds
fast.
have beaks, wings, feathers, claws, and ear holes instead external ears. They don't have teeth.
Do not have.
Okay, do not have teeth. So I think if I ask a question, will you be able to say the answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shabari, can you tell me the special features of birds?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me.
They do not have teeth.
They do not have
Teeth.
teeth. Okay. Then,
Can I?
They have only beaks.
okay.
They
Then,
have wings.
yes.
Feathers.
Feathers. They have wings, feathers. Then what is there on the mouth part?
Beak.
Very good. Likewise, you have to remember. Okay. They have beaks. They have wings. On the wings, what is present? Feathers.
Feather.
Then on
They
their
have
feet,
claws.
what is present? Claws are present.
Close.
Then what is not
We
in
do
them?
not have
External ear is not present. Instead of it, they have ear hole.
hole.
Then they do not have the teeth. Yes, Ananda Krishnan. Yes, Ananda Krishnan, tell me the special features of birds.
Ma'am,
They have beaks,
Yeah, very good.
wings,
Mm,
feathers,
mm,
claws,
mm,
legs,
Then
sharp leg, Sharp.
nails, claws, claws, claws. Then, then,
They do not have teeth.
very good, Ananda Krishnan. Okay, yes, Aiden, what are the special features of this one?
Birds have beaks.
Ah.
Birds have
Yes,
claws
Binu, I will, please wait.
and
Okay.
wings and
Don't read it.
and
Just
do not have
think about the
external
parts.
ears,
Hmm.
and they have ear holes,
Hmm.
and they do not have teeth.
Okay, Noel, Nia. Yes. Yes, tell me features of birds.
They have beaks, they have claws and ear holes and claws. They do not have teeth.
Okay, good. Okay, so these are the features of it. Now you have to read. Yes, Binu, are you ready to show the birds? Binu, you came inside. Okay, okay. You before that you are showing your pet birds. Are you going to show it? Yeah, very good. Okay. See,
My
we
mother's
can
house
see
there is
Binu's.
lovebirds.
Lovebirds. Yeah. What all this we can see it. Okay. Yes, lovebirds. Yes, please check. Maybe it is not clear, but he is trying to show you different colored small birds.
Some birds migrate.
See, small
Some birds migrate.
small holes. Can you see? Behind their eyes, small hole is there. Beaks are there. Yes, Binu, thank you. Thank you for showing this live bird. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a parrot.
Now, who is having a parrot now?
Tonio.
Tonio, are you ready to show it? Tonio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can't see you where you are, Tonio. Yes. See, we can see Tonio's parrot. Yeah. Yes, you are going, running, therefore showing it.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, wow. Wow, very good. See, red colored beaks. Hole is there, their holes are there. We can't see it now. Yeah. And can you show the claws?
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Okay, I think all others can see it, right? Yeah. What is the name of that pet parrot? Oh, this is Tonio's face. Yes, okay, Tonio. What is the name of that pet parrot? Okay.
Sundari.
Sundari. Okay, Sundari. Okay, that is true. From the name itself, we can understand it. Okay, so children, now I want to wind up today's class. Okay, hope you all enjoy, learn, and today at 7 o'clock evening, 7 p.m. I will send the link for the class. Okay. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.